What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove a green screen in DaVinci Resolve using the powerful Fusion module. This process, known as chroma keying, allows you to replace the green background with any backdrop of your choice, perfect for effects or setting your scene anywhere in the world. First, you'll need to open your project in DaVinci Resolve and navigate to the Fusion module. Fusion is Resolve's visual effects hub, where you can create complex compositions using nodes, a flexible and powerful way to build your effects. In Fusion, locate the Effects tab. Here, you're searching for the Delta Keyer effect. The Delta Keyer is a sophisticated tool designed for high-quality chroma keying. Drag the Delta Keyer between the input and output nodes in your node graph. This setup is crucial as it integrates the Delta Keyer into your video's processing flow, ensuring the green screen effect applies correctly. Once the Delta Keyer is in place, it's time to target the green color you wish to remove. Look for the Background Color option within the Delta Keyer settings. You will see a gray rectangle next to this. Click on it. Now, select Pick Screen Color and click on a green area in your video preview. This action tells the Delta Keyer exactly which color you're aiming to make transparent. Confirm your selection by pressing OK. After selecting the green color, you'll notice the green background disappears from your video. However, the job isn't finished yet. Often you'll find areas of your footage that don't key out perfectly. They may appear semi-transparent or not as solid as you'd like. To refine your chroma key, switch to the Matte tab in the Delta Keyer settings. Here, adjust the view mode to matte. This view shows your video in black and white, where white represents areas to keep and black represents areas to remove. Your goal is to ensure the background, which you're removing, is completely black, with no gray spots, and the foreground, which you're keeping, is entirely white. Adjust the black and white thresholds using the controls provided. You're aiming to eliminate any gray from the black areas and ensure the white areas are pure white. These adjustments will help achieve a clean key, especially around challenging areas like hair. Once satisfied with the adjustments, switch back to the final result view. You'll see a perfectly keyed subject, ready for you to add any background you desire. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.